JSX. Import React. Use state from React. Const navbar equals const menu open. Set menu open equals use state false. Return. NAV class name equals flex justify between items center px6py4bg gray 800 text white. H1 class name equals text XL font bold my website /H1. Button. Class name equals MD, hidden. On click equals set menu open. Menu open. /button. All. Class name equals $. Menu open. Block, hidden. MD, flex MD. Space X6 MD, block absolute MD, static BG gray 800 W full MD, W auto top full left 0. Lee class name equals PY2 MD, PY0 hover, text gray 300 cursor pointer, home, /Lee. Lee class name equals PY2 MD, PY0 hover, text gray 300 cursor pointer, about, /Lee. Lee class name equals PY2 MD, PY0 hover, text gray 300 cursor pointer, contact, /Lee, /ol, /NAV. Export default navbar. Form with validation. Add a simple contact form and validate user input. JSX. Import React. Use state from React. Const contact form equals const form data. Set form data equals use state name, email, message. Const handle change equals set form data target name target value. Const handle submit equals prevent default alert message sent by $form data name. Return form on submit equals handle submit. Class name equals max WMD MX auto BG white P6 rounded LG shadow LG. Label class name equals block MB2 font bold name /label. Input. Type equals text. Name equals name. Value equals form data. Name. On change equals handle change. Class name equals W full MB4P2 border rounded. Required. Label class name equals block MB2 font bold email /label. Input. Type equals email. Name equals email. Value equals form data. Email. On change equals handle change. Class name equals W full MB4P2 border rounded. Required. Label class name equals block MB2 font bold message /label. Text area. Name equals message. Value equals form data. Message. On change equals handle change. Class name equals W full MB4P2 border rounded. Required. /text area. Button. Type equals submit. Class name equals W full BG blue 500 text white PY2 rounded hover BG blue 600. Submit. /button. /form. Export default contact form. Dark mode integration. Modify Tailwind. Config. JS for dark mode support. JavaScript. Module. Exports equals dark mode class. / add this line. Content. /src **** JS. JSX. TS. TSX. Theme extend. Plugins. Toggle dark mode using a state variable. JSX. Import React. Use state from React. Const dark mode toggle equals const dark mode. Set dark mode equals use state false. Return. Div class name equals $dark mode. Dark. Button. On click equals set dark mode. Dark mode. Class name equals BG gray 800 text white PY2 PX4 rounded. Dark mode. Light mode. Dark mode. /button. Div class name equals P6 BG gray 200 dark. BG gray 800 text gray 900 dark. Text gray 100. This is a dark mode. Dark, light, mode example. /div. Export default dark mode toggle. 7. Optimize for performance. Code splitting. Use React's lazy and suspense for dynamic imports. Minify assets. Ensure production builds are optimized. Image optimization. Use compressed images or external services like Cloudinary. SEO. Add meta tags and structured data to improve visibility. 8. Monitor and maintain. Use Google Analytics or similar tools to monitor traffic. Regularly update dependencies to ensure security. Gather user feedback to improve the UI/UX. Bash. npx create React app responsive website. cd responsive website. Step 2. Install Tailwind CSS. Follow the Tailwind installation process. Bash. npm install d-tailwinds postx autoprefixer. npx tailwinds init. Step 3. Configure Tailwind. Config. JS. Replace content with JavaScript. Module. Exports equals content /src/***** JS. JSX. TS. TSX. Theme. Extend. Plugins. Step 4. Include Tailwind in your CSS. Update src/index. CSS. CSS. At Tailwind base. At Tailwind components. At Tailwind utilities. 2. Build the modern UI/UX. Structure. Homepage, hero section. Features. Testimonials. Footer. Navbar, sticky and responsive. Footer, links and contact info. Code implementation. Navbar example, src/components/navbar. JSX. JSX. Import React from React. Const navbar equals return. NAV class name equals flex justify between items center px6py4bg gray 800 text white. H1 class name equals text XL font bold my website/H1. All class name equals hidden MD, flex space X6. Lee class name equals hover, text gray 300 cursor pointer home/Lee. Lee class name equals hover, text gray 300 cursor pointer about/Lee. Lee class name equals hover, text gray 300 cursor pointer contact/Lee/ul. Div class name equals MD, hidden/div/nav. Export default navbar. Hero section example, src/components/hero. JSX. JSX. Import React from React. Const hero equals return. Div class name equals flex call items center justify center H screen BG gradient to R from blue 500 to purple 600 text white text center px6. H1 class name equals text 4XL MD, text 6XL font bold build the future/H1. P class name equals MT4 text LGMD, text XL.